In the past, raising poultry and processing eggs required a lot of time and effort. But with today's modern technology, everything has become faster, more efficient, and highly automated. In this video, I'll take you through the entire life cycle of a hen, from hatching to egg production and even meat processing. You'll also see some incredible machines that make poultry farming more productive than ever before. So, let's dive into this fascinating journey. Step 1. Egg selection and incubation. The first step in the poultry industry is egg selection. Not all eggs are suitable for hatching. That's where scanner machines come in. These machines use advanced sensors and light technology to check whether an egg is fertile or defective. The defective eggs are marked with a blue dot on the machine's screen and are automatically removed from the conveyor belt. The good eggs are then carefully picked up by a robotic arm and placed in plastic baskets. These baskets have an open design to allow proper airflow, ensuring that the eggs remain fresh and healthy. Once the eggs are arranged in stacks of 10 trays, they are transported to the incubator chamber. This chamber maintains a constant temperature of 37 degrees Celsius, mimicking the natural warmth that a mother hen provides to her eggs. The eggs remain inside for 21 days, during which time humidity levels and oxygen supply are also carefully monitored. Did you know? A fertilized egg contains a tiny embryo inside, which starts developing into a chick from the very first day of incubation. Step 2. Hatching and early chick care. After 21 days, the eggs start to crack, and tiny chicks break free from their shells. This process is called hatching, and it takes about 12 to 24 hours for all the chicks to emerge. Once hatched, the chicks are moved to another conveyor belt, where machines separate the eggshells from the newborn chicks. This ensures that only the healthy, active chicks continue on their journey. Next, a high-speed gender detection system is used to distinguish male and female chicks. This process is crucial because female chicks are raised for egg laying, while male chicks are often used for meat production. Once sorted, the chicks are carefully packed into special trays and transported to poultry farms. Step 3. Growth and development at poultry farms. At the poultry farm, the chicks are released into large, climate-controlled halls equipped with modern feeding and watering systems. Each chick receives a balanced diet that includes soybean meal, rich in protein, corn flour, a good source of energy, rice flour, for essential nutrients. These farms also have 24-hour lighting systems to simulate natural daylight, helping the chicks grow faster and healthier. To ensure good health, the chicks are also given vaccinations against common diseases. This prevents infections and improves their survival rate. After about 2 months, the hens mature and start laying eggs. Fun fact, a healthy hen can lay up to 300 eggs per year. As soon as an egg is laid, it rolls onto a soft conveyor belt that transports it to the egg collection area. Here, the eggs are cleaned, sorted, and packed for sale in the market. Step 4. Transport and market distribution. Once collected, the eggs go through a quality control check, where defective or cracked eggs are removed. The best quality eggs are then packed into cartons and sent to local markets, grocery stores, and even international suppliers. Advanced refrigerated trucks help keep the eggs fresh during transportation. Step 5. Meat production process. When hens reach the end of their egg-laying cycle, they are sent to meat processing factories. Here's how the process works. Live hens are transported from poultry farms to processing plants in ventilated cages. Workers carefully place them on conveyor belts, where they move to different processing stations. The hens are humanely slaughtered, following standard food safety regulations. Their bodies are then placed in warm water tanks, which help in loosening the feathers for easy removal. A special plucking machine quickly removes all feathers, leaving the hens clean and ready for further processing. Next, the hens go through a cleaning process, where their unwanted parts, such as the neck and legs, are removed. Finally, the cleaned meat is packaged, frozen, and sent to supermarkets, restaurants, and fast food chains around the world. Interesting fact, the global poultry industry produces over 130 million tons of chicken meat each year. From egg selection to hatching, growth, egg collection, and meat processing, the poultry industry has come a long way. So friends, that's all for today's video. I hope you found this journey of a hen interesting and informative. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.